Hi guys, it's Coco here, and today I'm wearing a headscarf, so you may think I look a little bit different. And let's go into the video now. So I'm going to be playing with these different slimes. They're from different brands, as you can see. So one of them is cloud slime and one of them is normal slime, as you can see, and they have different toppings to put on it. So let's get to playing with them. So which one do I play with first? I think I'm going to play with the purple one first. So let's move the slimes out of the way. First I'm going to be playing with the normal slime. Get out of here. Very squishy. Nice. I'm going to try and make a bubble with it. I did it a little bit. Very squishy, very bubbly. Let's see what happens when I keep mixing it. Maybe it'll turn into fluffy. Has good bubble pops. Let's add the topping that's in here. They have loads of different toppings for loads of different colours. So for this colour, it's 2 flamingos. So I'm going to put in the slime, let me roll the slime into a ball and then just squish it on a little. Put the flamingo in, then let me put this in. The topping now. It looks like little blueberries or blackberries. Just gonna put them on top of this one. Putting them around the flamingos. Look at it. And I'm gonna put some of these inside. I'm going to put 2 because I don't want to put too much. I'm just going to put them on top here. Okay, now I'm going to get to mixing it in. So it looks at first. Okay, now I'm going to start mixing it in. This actually looks really good. Little blueberries inside of it looks like, and then you can mix a bubble pop when you squish that. And then you can take them out. And you can take them out and put them to the side. And the blueberries make good bubble pops on the inside of it. When you get into mixing it, it becomes fluffier. So maybe we can start playing with a different one. Maybe now we'll go on to the cloud slime. What colour should I pick? I think I'm going to pick blue for this one. It's white on the side and then blue on the other side. Cloud slime. Let's play with it before putting the toppings in. Wow, this feels so fluffy, like a cloud. The cloud would feel fluffy, and this is very fluffy. It's like the sky, how the sky looks. That's how it looks. I'm going to try and make a beautiful swirl. Now let's add the toppings in. Okay, I got it open. And I'm gonna pour it. It has like pandas, sprinkles and everything. And it has a stitch for the blue bit. Excess on. Look at it. So yeah, let's get to mixing it in. If you look, you can actually see the pandas and the sprinkles. Bottom you can see the stitch. Look at it, look at the stitch. The more you play with it, the more like stretchy and everything it gets. Made a little bubble pop. Maybe now let's get on to playing with another slime. Should we play with like this cyan, bluish green? Let's play with this one now. Oh, it's very stretchy, it feels like. Very squishy at first. Maybe let's mix it. Oh wow, they have different scents. This one smells like, I don't know how to describe it, like, it's like fresh, like freshness. I'm gonna make a bubble with this. I did it. So, wait, since this one smelled, let's just smell this one. Wait, this one smells like grapes. They smell really nice. Let me smell this and see if it smells. This one smells nice, but it doesn't smell like really anything. Like it's just normal slime. I'm gonna try make another bubble. Wait, that was good. I made a bubble. Gosh. Let's see if I can make a ginormous one with this. That was good, but not really. After this last one, we're going to get onto another slime. Oh, look. I'm getting good at making bubbles. Let's play with this yellow one. It has a Starbucks coffee. Right there. Look. Maybe now you guys can see it. Starbucks coffee inside of it. I'm going to open it and I'm going to pour it on here so you guys can see it. Look. Look at the Starbucks coffee. Let's mix it in. This one is yellow and white. Yellow, white. So look guys, now I'm going to open all of them and I'm going to put them on the table and then I'm going to mix some little bits of them together, and then before that I'm going to put the ingredients. So let's put them around the table so they don't all get mixed up right now. this one smells like avocados. Open blue. Let's get them out. And let's open the cloud slime ones. Wait, let me smell the blue one. Wait, this one smells like blackcurrant. Like, you know blackcurrant, right? I smell this. It's strawberries. I knew it would smell like strawberries because red it just reminds of strawberries. Now let's spread the clouds up. Now let's move that out of the way so we have better space. Pink. Yellow. Blue down. Yeah, that's all of them down. Let me play with some of them. Look, this one's about to mix. Now let's start to mix them together. Just get little bits of them like that. Keep mixing them. Okay, now let's put some of the cloud slimes in them. Okay, now let's mix them all together. It's forming like a cloud slime and look at the colours all together. It's forming more like cloud slime. Let's add some more of the blue in. Starts to become hard. Now look, you can't stretch it anymore. Becomes rippy. Okay, it's white and then some blues at the bottom. You can see different colours and different sprinkles. Now let's quickly add some of the things into the sprinkle. Let's pour this one in. This one's leprechauns. A leprechaun rainbow, and then it has a leprechaun green, yellow. Let's mix this in. How pretty that looks. Wait guys, I'm gonna see with this slime if I can blow a bubble into it. Oh, it actually worked. Wait, I'm gonna try again but with a different slime. Let's try with the purple one. Oh, wait, that worked. Okay, great. I'm gonna try to catch a bubble, when I blow it in, I'm gonna try to catch it. Ah, that didn't work. Let me try one more time. Oh, I caught some of the bubble, but then it popped. Like this one's like tealy blue, this one's dark blue, this one's like green, red and purple. Let's play with cloud slimes now. Blue, the stitch one. Let's play with some pink and let's put the sprinkles in the pink one. Strawberries. Since it looks like strawberries, since it's like pinky. That looks pretty. Look at the colour. Let's play with like the green now. That's the last cloud slime. So soft. Like I told you guys before, like a cloud. Well, anyway guys, let me tell you which one my favourite one was. So overall, my favourite was the purple because I made amazing bubble pops. I loved the topping, like blueberries. Look at them. And it let me do a bubble and it was really nice. So let's play with it one more time. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye!